Today we'll learn how to graph the hyperbola given by the equation for x squared minus y squared equals 16. First, let's get this equation into standard form. Looking at the standard form, we can identify that this is a horizontal hyperbola since x squared appears first with a positive coefficient. Let's set up our coordinate system and identify the key features. Let's identify the center, vertices, and transverse axis. The center is at the origin 0, 0. Since it equals 2, the vertices are located 2 units to the left and right of the center at points -2, 0 and 2, 0. The foci are located at c units from the center, where c squared equals a squared plus b squared. In this case, c equals 4, so the foci are at points -4, 0 and 4, 0. The asymptotes are the lines that the hyperbola approaches as x approaches infinity. For a horizontal hyperbola, they have the equations y equals plus or minus b over times x. In this case, that's y equals plus or minus 2x. Now, let's graph the hyperbola. Notice how it passes through the vertices and opens horizontally, approaching but never crossing the asymptotes. To summarize the key features of this hyperbola, the center is at the origin, the vertices are at plus or minus 2 on the x-axis, the foci are at plus or minus 4 on the x-axis, and the asymptotes are y equals plus or minus 2x. Understanding these key features helps us visualize and graph hyperbolas accurately. Remember that the transverse axis tells us the direction the hyperbola opens, and the asymptotes guide the curve's behavior as it extends outward.